Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next CPU. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on push notifications. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Just go down. Then you come here to Launchpad here and Launchpad. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see, color it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.